So today we are going to discuss about the SAP patching or SAP upgrade or what is patch. So all these things today we will discuss. Support pack. So what is this all? Support pack stack, SAP patch, SAP upgrade. What is mean by upgrade? Mean by upgrade means updating our system from one version to higher version is called the upgrade. Downgrade means downgrading means from current version to lower version we are doing, that is called the downgrade. So downgrade is not possible, only upgrade is possible. So downgrade means we have to restore the system back using the backup. So upgrade means we have to use the tools, we have to use the some other tools to so upgrade. For installation we will use the one tool. What is the tool? For installation of the SAP systems, we will use the one tool that is called the SWPM tool, right?
Yes, WPM.
Yeah, same as like for upgrade also, we will use the one tool that is called the sum tool. We will use it. Some tool, software upgrade manager tool, we will use it for upgrading the systems. Okay. So first of all, before we go for upgrading and discussing, first of all, what is this patching? What is this patching? So normally when the any user or our team are in to find out any bug in SAP product. So normally software means definitely there are some bugs, right? There are some new improvements, some bugs, definitely there is a bug, right? Definitely there is a bug in the products. So their code or their table, their functional model, there is some definitely there is a bug in the product. So the user he reports the same to SAP support, and the programmer, the SAP person, normally if you observe, when we are working in the daily basis, we got the one error, that bug we got it, one error, one syntax error, one bug we got it. That is the SAP product error. We will raise a ticket with SAP. That SAP person, that SAP programmer, SAP support engineer check and he develop a one node, one bug. He will develop a one node that is called the S node. Okay, that we will apply through S node. Through SAP node, we will apply one bug, right? At the same time, multiple end users say he reports the bug, and also SAP also suspect that there is some new release, some new corrections in one place, that is called the SAP support pack. Okay, the support pack also include the new enhancements, earlier version of the SAP, right? So earlier version of the SAP means suppose today, one of the end user is working, he got the one error, one bug, he detected like it's a bug, it's bug in the SAP product. So he reports to us, we will report to the SAP engineer who provided this software to us. Then SAP support engineer, he will invest, SAP support engineer, he will investigate, he will inform us saying that it's a bug, so please implement the node. Okay, first he will ask us to implement the node, so we will apply the node through S node transaction code. So okay, but the same time multiple end users, multiple bugs are happened, so all this collects, all this called the support package. Multiple, simply say like combination of, simply say like combination of, not in the simple words, combination of like collection of multiple SAP nodes are called the support pack. Okay, collection of multiple SAP nodes are called the support package. The support packs are implemented in the SAP system. There the previously we have the transaction codes we have implemented using the support package, but nowadays we have the tools are available. SAP developer tools are available. So those tools we will discuss now. So what is meant by support pack stack? What is meant by? So we have node and support pack and support pack stack. What is meant by support pack stack? So support pack stack contains entire stack above Java packages, all software components, entire NetWeaver stack, above plus Java, we are updating. This is called the support pack stack. Bundle. Stack means it will bundle the all the components, individual patches, everything it will bundle it. That is called the support pack stack. So support pack stack. Normally, but everything, either support pack stack, version upgrade, release upgrade. So everything is common. Everything is common. So common means, so the way that we are working, that is common. So what we are going to update here? What we will update here? If we go in the system status, if we go to the system status, we have the SAP components are there. If you go to the system data product version, if you just click on it, you can see here we have the SAP components are there. We are working in the system because of the all these components: SAP basis, SAP ABA, GWFND, UI, SAP PI, so SAP AP. All these components are exist in our system. That's why we are using these functionalities. We are using base functionalities because basis components are there. We are using above functionalities means because of the above related coding, this everything is available. Gateway functionalities means because of this component currently installed. So like that you can see HR functionalities we are using means because of HR, human resource related components are exist in our system. That's why we are using the HR functionalities. So for tracking. So that's why each component, so there is a each functionality, there is a one component is available. So insurance, we can also use the insurance related components. So FICA-X, so e-recruitment related issues, the functionalities. Okay. So then the utilities telecommunication related functionalities, we want to use it. Learning and solutions functionalities. So oil business, you can use these functionalities. So any functionality, right? Any functionality. So if the functionality exists in our system, then only we are using the that related transaction codes, everything we are using it. Okay. All these things, what functionalities are installed, what components are installed, what is their version, and everything we can find out from here. See here, we can find out from here. So basis, SAP underscore basis, SAP underscore AB, SAP underscore GWFND, SAP underscore GA, UI, and SAP underscore BW. All these components are exist here. All these components are exist here. And also each component, they have the version. They have the release version and sub level as well. They have this is the main release version. This is the main release version. And after that, we have the subversion, SP level 1, main release version. After that, SP level 1, we have 001, we have. So this is a support pack naming convention. SAP K, that is the SAP K star, that is the SAP support pack naming convention of the each and every support pack. They have starts with the SAP K, SAP K, SAP K. Okay, SAP K followed by the two versions, Okay, support K followed by the versions. So you can see here what is the start description. So all the support packs combined, collection of all these support pack, all these components are called the. So we have one product version. We have product version. What is our product version we are working here? ECC 6.0 EHP 8 version. So currently this is the system. ECC 6.0 EHP 8 system. This is the version of the product currently we are working in this system. Okay, which is the NetWeaver, you will get the SAP NetWeaver. It is the Fiori, SAP Fiori. It is the S4HANA, SAP S4HANA. So it is the MDZ, CRM related. So what system you are working depends upon the product version that relates. Product version will be installed here. That related product version will be installed in the installed here in the installed product version. So collection of all these components is this one plus this one plus this one, collection of all this plus called the one product version. Okay, one product version. So now you know what is patch means. Suppose one of the basis person we are working, we got one error, right? We got one error. So that is like, so some component from transaction is not working, which means there is a bug in this release version, this patch level, this SP level. Collection of SP is called the release version. Okay, this SP level means support pack level. This is for this component, this patch level is 0.1. Release version is 750. Okay, like that we have to read it. Okay, for SAP ABA, we have release version is 750 and patch level is 0.0.1. Okay, so suppose this version we have error. This version we have some errors. So in order to fix these errors, when we approach SAP release the one note, right? So this error not only one note, this is a multiple SAP nodes we have to implement it. Instead of implementing the multiple SAP nodes, SAP release the one patch, SAP underscore ABA 002 patch level, higher patch level, they will release it. They will combine the new functionalities and they will release it, and they will release the patch level here. Not only this patch, entire system having some issues, which means they will release the support pack, all the system support pack, entire stack we are upgrading means support pack stack upgrade we have to. So if you apply the only single, that is the patch update. If you are updating everything, all the components, entire system you are bringing to the latest versions means that is called the SAP major upgrade. SAP major SP level upgrades you are doing it. So even though you are upgrading only, you are not updating SP level, you are updating SP release upgrade, only release version 750 to 760, 760 to 770 you are updating means that is called the release upgrade. So which level you are upgrading, that is called the that level upgrade. Means release option you are upgrading, that is called the release upgrade. Only SP level you are upgrading, only SP level you are upgrading means this is a SAP support pack upgrade, which means SP upgrade. Shortcut SP upgrade. Only you are updating only this patch level, that is called the only SAP. So patch update. Only one patch you are updating. Multiple patches are called the support package. Collection of support packs are called the SAP stack upgrade. Okay, got it now? So this is the differences. Where we can check them which system we are updating. This is a very important, guys. So some people don't know when they join the organization, some people they don't know they are working in which system. ECC, BW, NetWeaver, S4HANA, CRM, which system they are working. They don't know, they are not aware of about this one. So people they don't know. So then immediately the manager they will find out. Even don't you know how to find out the SAP product versions and which system you are working, right? So this is we installed, then we know this is the ECC system. Without checking we can sell. But the new people comes and if they check what is this system, then in this case we have to go to the system status. Go to the details. Here you can see the all the installed product version, which version, ECC 6.0 EHP8, their related version, and the components, the component related version you can find out from here. So what is this exactly? So everything we can find out from here. Okay, so this is the normal just information about the what is patch, what is SP level, what is release version. So how to update means how to do that one. Previously when we don't have these tools, that time normally we used SPAM or SAINT transaction codes for the updating or installing the new components, right? So SAINT is for the add-on installation tool. SAINT is for the SAINT transaction code. SAINT transaction code is for the add-on installation tools. Add-on installation or uninstallation tool. Unfortunately, you installed the one component that you have to remove it. Then you can go to the SAINT, you can uninstall it. Suppose you want to install, you forgot to during the installation time, you forgot to add that component. You want to add a new component. So in this case, you can go to the SAINT, you can install it. For installation, you will get only base version, right? After that, you have to update it to latest versions. In this case, you have to use the SPAM. SPAM is for the updating the existing components, to the higher versions. We can use the SPAM transaction code, software upgrade manager tool. So previously we used these tools actually. So if you go to the support pack upgrade tool, so previously we used this one. So we can just go to the support packs. load the packages from front end or application server. Front end means our desktop. Application server means in the trans directory EPS folder, it will refer it. Then we can install it. That is the one way. Previously, we used to do the through spam and saint. We will use it. Okay, we will define the queue and we will install it. So that is the time taking process. And previously, we used this method. So, and also downtime is very more here. Downtime is very more when you are updating from spam and saint transaction code. So saint also you can see here saint add-on installation tool. So you can see the add-on installation tool. Here you can install the add-ons. So here you can install the add-ons and everything. You can install it. You can install the add-on installations. So if you want to install the new one or if you want to uninstall it, you can also do the uninstallation as well from here. Okay. So one installation also we can do from here. You can load the packages, then we can uninstall it. You can load the packages and we can uninstall it. All these things we can do that one. All these things we can do that from some spam or saint. We can do that one. Okay. So this is the spam and saint. Nowadays, no one using these tools. Why? Because these are the old tools. So only few, or if one component you have to update, that spam and saint we can do that one. But we are updating the system means normally nowadays everyone they will update all the patches, all the components they will update. Entire system related components, all these system related components, either 100, 200, 300 components are there. They will update all they will update it, right? All they will update to the latest versions or available versions. They will update it. Agreed versions they will update it. So this is the SAP components and SAP patch update. So suppose if you want to update to the latest version, so what to do? Either patch update or component update or update to this one, what we have to do? What we have to do? So these things we will discuss now. Which kind of pre-steps, SAP upgrade pre-steps. So previously we used this transaction codes, but everything is beaten by the sum tool. Sum tool is the one of the tool, same as like SWPM tool. We have to download and we have to use this tool for the updating our SAP systems, any SAP systems, from updating SAP systems from one version to another version, There are a lot of advantages by using this tool. We can also reduce the downtime. Why? Because for applying the support packs, there should be some downtime is required. Why? Because system during the online, when the system is online, so we cannot update the patches. When the system is down, that time we have to apply some of the patches we have to update. So for that one, we need to restart the system, or so it will be downtime procedure. To avoid this type of issues, SAP released the one tool in the long back that is called the SUM tool, Software Upgrade Manager tool. They have released it. Using this tool, either one patch or two patch, multiple patch, component version, upgrade version, anything is possible using SUM tool. And also we can also reduce the some business downtime also we can reduce it. So suppose if the banking sector, banking applications are critical applications, right? Nowadays, each and every transactions, everything we are doing it. If the banking applications are down for 1 or 2 hours, what happens? All the transactions will lose and some business impact will happen, right? So to avoid that one, definitely they are using SAP means definitely in one situation, one day we have to update their SAP systems to the latest versions. Even in our mobile phone only, we are updating all our things to the latest versions. All apps we are updating to the latest versions. So our Android version also we are updating to the latest versions. Everything we are updating. Why? Because old version has some existing version has some bugs and some new features in the latest versions. For that purpose, we are updating our SAP systems, or we are updating our mobile apps or Android version. We are updating to the latest versions. We are updating. Even in one mobile only we are updating means how critical we are to update in the SAP systems. Why? Because all entire business will happen through SAP only. So suppose if you take the banking sector, all banking systems, banking servers are in the SAP. So definitely we have to update it. The longer downtime, definitely there is a big down. We have to reduce the downtime. In this case, what we have to do? We have to use the sum tool only to reduce the business downtime. So that's why everyone they will use the sum tool for business downtime. Sometime for business downtime they will use it sum tool, right? This is a tool they will use it for the business downtime. Okay, so this is a sum tool. We will use it for the business downtime. Previously, before the sum time, we will use this transaction code for the for updating or installing the new add-ons and everything. We will use it, right? So sum tool. To use the sum tool, what are the preparation steps we have to use it? Three steps. That is called the pre-patching steps or preparation steps. Okay, preparation or pre-activities, or we will call it as the pre-steps. They will call it. It means before the upgrade what you have to check now. Before the upgrade, what you have to do? Before the upgrade, so first of all, we need to check the latest version which is available. What is the latest version which is available in marketplace? Is available in so available in SAP marketplace. Why? Because everything we have to download from the available in which is available in SAP Marketplace, SAP Marketplace. So then once you check it out, so once you check it out, then update the spam or saint versions. We have to update it. Version we have to update it. We have to update the spam and saint version. We have to update it. So there is a spam and saint versions. We have to update it, and also TP and R3 trans, which means kernel. Kernel also should be up to date. It's not mandatory, but it's a optional. TP and R3 trans should be up to date. So to speed up our process, it's an optional step. So why? Because as part of that, some kernel also will be updated. Kernel also will be updated to the latest versions. So definitely, so we have to update this kernel as well. Otherwise, so just at least TP and R3 trans should be up to date higher versions. Okay, these are the kernels. TP, R3 trans, all the patches. These are the kernel. We already discussed in the previous class about the kernel upgrade, how to do that one. Same as like TP, R3 trans, we have to update it. Otherwise, you can ignore it. Okay, so so check the latest versions which is available in the service marketplace. If we go to the service marketplace, support pack manage, support software downloads. So here we need to log in. We need to log into the we need to log into the our system. We need to log into the our system and get the support packs. We need to log into the systems and check it out. So let me open. So just give me a minute. So you got it right. You are understanding right. What is patch? What is support pack? Where to check the component versions. So all this information. So you got it right. So patch means single component. Single component. If you are updating, that is the patch. Support pack means all the components which are installed in the system. All the components you are updating means that is called the support pack stack. Okay. So entire stack upgrade means ABAP and Java, everything you are updating means that is called the support pack stack. Okay. So that is the support pack stack. So yeah, we are using like some spam and saint we are using, but nowadays we are using some tool. Some tool is the one of the software upgrade manager tool. So that will be software upgrade manager tool that will be used for the updating the our SAP systems. Updating the our SAP systems. Somewhere I lost my user ID, forgot. service.sap.com, service.sap.com for the support pack upgrade. So support service marketplace. So everything we can check it out. We can download it from here. All the softwares and everything we can download it. Or if we go to the access to my launchpad. So here you will get the, so you can download the stack.xml file and everything we can download it. But for here, first of all, what is our step? First, we want to verify the latest version of the support pack and support. We are not doing installation, support pack and patches. So go to the here. So maybe ECC, right? ECC. Here ECC. So you can check the latest versions, what's there here. Latest versions, what is there here. So we can check it out from here. Latest version, what is there from here. One way. This is the one way. Directly you can go to the software downloads. We can check the latest version. We can what is there in the systems. So suppose ECC, right? So you can check it out ERP. So then here under the we are in the enhancement packages EHP8. So EHP8, right? Here we are. So check where is the EHP8. This is the EHP8. So EHP8 is EHP8. So you can check the which component you are updating. One component central applications. So SAP underscore basis or SAP underscore above or entire stack you are updating. Which one you are updating? So you need to check e-recruitment. So fin basis. So lend solutions, what you are updating here. So you can check that all things are available here. Okay, you can check all this, each individual components are available here. Suppose you are updating the SAP underscore basis, right? SAP underscore basis you are updating. So what is our current version we have? So 750 SP01 we have. SP01 we have in the market. But what is the current version we have? So SAP basis, so 750 SP006 we have, right? SP0026 we have. Means we are in the 01 version. Only initial level. When you are installing, you will not get the latest versions. You will get the only base version. Base version you will get it out. Now after the which is released on the 2015, it is released. Then after that 02, 03, 04, 05 up to 26, current version is the 26 is available in the marketplace. But we are in the 01 version only. We are in the 01 version. We are in the 01. You can see here, if we go to the system status, we are in the 01 version. You can see 001 version we have. We are in the 01 version. So which means for this SAP basis component, we are in the 01 version. So we can directly update only this component you are updating, means there is a patch update. Only one component you are updating, that is called the patch update. Multiple you are updating, entire stack you are updating, means that is the support pack upgrade. So that is the difference. Okay. So one component you want to update, there is no usage. Why? Because one component there is a dependency on the all other components as well. So better to update entire SP level, and there are all the components we have to update it. So previously we have to download like this. Previously we have to download one by one. We have to download all this 0 to 1, 0 patch already installed. The 2 patch, third, 3, 4, 5, like 5, 6 up to 26 patches we have to download. Then we have to update it. Right? Previously we used to do this one, download and update it. So one component 26 patches, but we have multiple components are there in the system. Then how many times you have to download it? If you miss one component, upgrade will not happen. Some tool will detect. So this is the manual efforts, manual things for checking, for downloading the patches and everything. It's the manual efforts. So to avoid this one, so same as like CAHR as well. To avoid this one, for downloading the manual things and everything, SAP given the one solution. SAP given the one solution. So everything you can push to the download basket. Select all, just push to the download basket. From there, at a time, you can download all these things from at a time. How to do that one means, I will show you how to do that one. Okay. So this is the one of the alternative they have given to us. Okay. So if whatever the components you want to update, one component you want to update, just go select one component, Okay. So select the, suppose we have the PLM UI. Okay. PLM UI. What is the version we have currently in the system? PLM UI. 748.001 we have. 748.001 we have. Right? 748.001 we have. So I want to update to the latest version, which is the 20 version we have. But currently we have 001 we have. I want to update the one version, just to one patch level, I want to update it. Then we can download it. Just it will be downloaded. Just if we click on it, one patch will be downloaded automatically. Manually, we have to do that one. Okay, one patch we have to update it. Just I want to show, I want to show you previously how we used to upload these patches and everything. So just we went to the just any component, just to you have downloaded the patch, right? Then we have to move to the server level, we have to move it. You have downloaded one patch. It is coming to here. Just I want to show previous how we did for through SPAM&SAINT. Okay. So you updated to the here. This patch you want to update to the latest version 002, 0001 to 002. From this patch, you want to update from 748.001 to 002. How we have to do that one? So go to the spam and Spain. You have to log into the 000 client. For updating those components, you have to log into the 000. Right? You have definitely 000 account is required because 000 is the master client. If you update in the master client, it will affect to the all the clients. That's why we used to do from 000. Okay. So spam, you have to go to the spam, go to the support pack, load packages from front end. Why? Because front end means in your download folder you have uploaded here. You have to update from here, right? You have to update from here. So uploading from the workstation. No, I don't want to do this from here. I want to do from application server. Then you have to go here. You have to go here, trans directory and EPS in folder. You have to place the file here. Then automatically system will pick up. Automatically system will pick up that one. Automatically system will pick up that one. Okay. So then once you load it here, go to the display and define button. You have to display the queue now. So which component? This is the component you want to update it. So this is the component you want to update it. So see here, one component, it has the latest version of the support pack manager. It is saying that so this one you have to update it first. SPAM&SAINT you have to update it. That's why when you are doing the support pack upgrade, always the support pack SPAM&SAINT version you have to update it. This is a 59, 750, 59 version we have. So we have to update. That's why the first step we are the next step we update the SPAM&SAINT versions. We have to update it. So check the latest version. We already checked as part of this one. We already checked the latest versions which is available in the systems. And one component we are trying to update it, but it's saying that spam we have to update it. Spam version we have to update it. How to update this spam version? These are the plugins. SPAM&SAINT. These are the add-on tools. We have to update it. So how to do that one? So here same version, same procedure. Everything we have to go to the here downloads only. Everything we have to go to the downloads and we have to download the all the plugins and everything. We have to download it. All the plugins and everything we have to go to here and we have to download from the service marketplace only. Everything we have to go and download from the service marketplace. We have to download it. These are the tools actually. So we have to download all these tools from here. Spam, right? Spam update we have to do. We are in the 750. Just to go to the 750 spam version 750, spam version 750. So what is there? So we are in the current version is 59, right? 59, you can see 750, 59 is the version. So 59 is the version, right? So 59 is the version, but latest version is the 84. Directly you can jump to the 84 or some other patch also you can update it. 70 or directly you can jump to the 74, 84 or 760 you can update it. Or so whatever you want, like directly you can update it. Whatever you want, you can update it directly. Suppose we will go for the 70. So if you just click it, it will be download the 60 version. It is getting downloaded. See here, it is downloaded. So this is a manual procedure for downloading. There is an automatic procedure also. I will explain it. Once this manual procedure we complete, I will explain that that procedure as well. Downloading, only SUser ID is required here for downloading all the patches and everything. SUser ID is required. Now they are saying update the SPAM version first. So we have to update the SPAM version then. We have to update the SPAM version first now. Okay. So go to the here support pack mention import the SPAM&SAINT patch. No SPAM&SAINT patch update. So we have to load the patch from front end. Why? Because we have not loaded this patch, right? We have not loaded this patch. So when we are updating one component manually using the Saint, it's saying that first you update the SPAM&SAINT. It will asking us to update it. So then go to the here import the spam. So it's saying that spam update is 70, right? 750, 70. Here 59 is there, it is going to be 770. 750 and 70 it is going to update it. Yes. So see here, it is saying that it is getting updated. It is getting updated. So we have to, it is preparing now. So it is compiling, it is checking all the objects and it will update it. It will update it now. See here in the status bar, we will are getting what it exactly is doing and everything. So we will get the information from here. So always like when you are updating the SPAM&SAINT versions, that version we have to update. Yeah. You can see now main import is running now. Main import is running. Total in the spam, we have 16 pages, not 16, I think 26 pages we have in the spam, 26 or 27 pages we have. So each step one by one, it will complete first prerequisites, then preparations, SPDD, SPAU, main import, RDD, IMPDP. So phases are there. So each and every phase it will complete, then it will come to the main import phase. Main import phase it will come, right? So that's why you can see the here the steps are changing one by one. The steps are changing here. Now what it is happening? This patch is importing as dispatch is importing as like dispatch is importing as like transport. It will there is a one transport in the buffer. There is a transport in the buffer. It will create the one transport. See here, it is creating one transport. It will create the one transport. It will import it. It will create the transport and it will import it. It will import it. It will create the transport and it will import it. So it will create the patch as the transport, automatically it will import it. See here, it is getting imported. It is importing, like, right? This is what we are updating now. So 750, 70, SPAM&SAINT version we are updating now. See here, that is failed. Request will not be imported. This is failed. So it is importing. It is getting imported. So here you can see the version. You can see the, so here you can see the status here. It is getting imported. I'm in dialog mode, I'm executing. That's why we can see each and every step here. So each and every step you can see it here. This is getting imported. This is getting imported. Okay. You can also see in the import history, you can see what it is exactly doing here. So restart the spam for read the information. Okay. Now 59. Now go to the spam. Now go to the spam. Now you can see 70. How it is updated to the latest version. How it is updated means, so we have updated component, the step number 2. So what we did is update the SPAM&SAINT version. This is the version we updated to the latest versions, right? So see here, it is updated in our in the class itself. So see here, it is updated to the 59 to 70. It is updated. Now we can go ahead with this one. Why? Because so previously, when you are updating one component, it's saying that one component, when you are saying that, so you have to update this one SPAM&SAINT version, you have to update it, something like that, right? So we updated this one. Done. Now we can go ahead here. You can go ahead here. You can select the, So the which patch, one patch you are updating, you can select it, then you can update it. But one patch has some dependency. Each patch has, there is a dependency. So why? Because you have to update that dependency patch level also, we have to update it. So that dependency patch level also, we have to update it. That dependency patch level also, we have to update it. That we can see it here. That we can see it here. So if you go to the new support packages, just select this one, click on the display. So this PLM UI we have, right? That is the version 001 to 02 we are updating. For this has some dependency, right? What is the dependency? So that patch has some dependency on this SAP underscore APPL component as well. So which means some prerequisite. So that patch has some dependency on this patch. You can see here SAP underscore APPL. So slash 618, that we have to update to the 02 patch level. You have to update it. 02 you have to update it. So which means you can see all are meet. So EAIPP, PLM UI. So all components are the prerequisites meet. One is not fulfilled. Prerequisites is not fulfilled. Which means so this patch has dependency on this component. Which means we have to update this one first now. So we have to include this patch as well. This we have to include, or we have to update this patch also. We have to update in our system. Okay, this patch also we have to update it. That's not again. So that's why this type of issues we may face it. To avoid this one, what people will do, they will update entire thing in at one go. One go, all components they will update it. One go, all components they will update it. Right? So just download this one. I want to show the two procedures actually. Some procedure and previously how we used to update all these patches and everything. I want to show this one. So that's why, so I'm doing it this manual way, and we will use the sum tool as well. Sum tool also we will use. Nowadays, everyone they are using the sum tool for updating their patches and everything. So we will use the sum tool as well. Okay. So this one also downloaded. Copy this one. Normally directly I can download it from here itself, but the thing is I forgot that that yes user ID. So I will check my notes. I'll make it ready for tomorrow. But meanwhile, we'll see the normal procedure, how we are doing, and normally how we are updating the each and every patch and everything. I'm showing here now. So we are trying to update this one, but this component has dependency on the SAP underscore APPL. So SAP underscore APPL component. So if you see here SAP underscore APPL, SAP underscore APPL component is the 01 version. It is saying that it should be in the 02. That is the logistics and accounting related, right? So logistics and account related component. It should be in the 02 version. So that's why we are updating to the 02 version. We are updating now. 02 version we are updating now. So let's see. This is one of the biggest big topic. It will take 1 week, whole week also it will take it. Because we have to discuss previously how we used to do the patching. Now how we are used to do that. Now we are discussing about the previously using this spam and SAINT transaction code spam. So this is the procedure we have to follow previously. Each and every time we have to check and we have to import, load, everything. This is the one of the worst procedure. Not the worst procedure, time taking procedure. If you have hundreds of files are there, then you need to upload the 100 times. You have to import it, right? So this is otherwise we have to go to the EPS in directory. In the EPS in directory, we have to place all the patches. We have to extract it. At a time, we have to extract it. It's a time-taking procedure. But if you use the sum tool, you don't need to extract as well. You don't need to extract using the SAP car. Automatically, sum tool will take care of that one. Automatically, sum tool will take care of the so all the extractions, loading, all the dependencies, everything it will take care of that one. So for that one, sum tool required the one of the XML stack configuration file is required. So for that one, how to download means that we will discuss first once this completed. Then slowly we will go with the some upgrade procedure we will discuss. See, one patch, how much time it is taking when I am uploading from the PC. Decompress means archiving. So that is also when you are doing archiving, see, it's going to the USR SAP trans EPS. So USR SAP means SAP MMT only. That is a shared mount directive. So it is extracted, right? So now go to the display define button. Now try to use this one. No valid. SAP underscore EPPL. SAP underscore APPL component. This is the APPL. This component has the different version again. So that's why to avoid all these dependencies, all the prerequisites, what we have to do, see here. We want to import the APPL component. See here how many components we have to update it. SAP underscore AP, then SAP underscore this this one, CRM. So then this one we have to update it. Then AP component we have to update it. All these things we have to update it. So all these components we have to update it. We have to update it. More details. All these components we have to update it. So to avoid this type of updation manual procedure, we have to use the sum tool. We have to use the sum tool procedure. So for the sum tool, what we have to do, same, we have to check the latest versions and update the spam and SAINT. This one. Then the fourth step is for the sum tool is for the fourth step, calculate the stack configuration file. Stack configuration file we have to calculate it for the fourth step. So this is a very important step. Calculate the stack configuration file. So how to calculate the stack.configuration file means you have to go to the service marketplace. So go to the maintenance planner. So this is the maintenance planner. Before applying, so before calculating, so here in the system, apply the maintenance certificate. Maintenance certificate, we have to apply it in the S license transaction code. S license transaction code, we have to apply the maintenance license. Then we can calculate the stack the configuration file. When we calculate the stack configuration file means what is the target version you are going to update it, select it, then download all the patches in one go. Then we can run the sum tool, we can update it. That is what we have to do it from the here in the stack configuration file. Okay, calculate the stack configuration files. Okay, so one go we have to update this one. One go we have to update this one. Okay, so maintenance planner, we have to update all these things. We have to update it. Maintenance planner, planning the software packages and everything. Go to the access my launchpad. Is going to the different one. From there, we can download it. From there, we can, I will go to the another essay user ready. Here, if you see the maintenance planner, in the maintenance planner, so you will get the list of systems here. In the maintenance planner, you will get the list of systems. So are you guys are understanding what I'm saying? Is it clear till now? How to update the patches and everything? Is it clear? So normally we will use to the spam and SAINT, right? But If the spam and say it will long procedure, it's a old procedure. That procedure we don't require, but we should know what is the spam and say and everything. But if you go with if you go ahead with so if you check in the some procedure, that is the latest procedure. In every interview, they will ask the sum procedure. Have you performed the SAP upgrade or SAP patching using the sum tool or not? Yes means they will ask you the questions. Can you tell me the preparation steps? So first we need to check the latest versions which is available in the service marketplace. Update the spam and saint version. Kernel is not mandatory. So apply the license and calculate the stack.xml file. Stack configuration file we have to. This is the key file for the sum tool. Just go to the select your systems. Where how to do that one means we have to go to the, this is for the calculation of the stack configuration file. So for this one, we have to go to the service marketplace, maintenance planner, then explore systems, explore navigation. This explore systems, then select your system, which system you are going to update. Select your system, then select target patch level, then once you select the target patch level, once you select the target patch level, then so push the all the patches to all the patches at a time to, so download basket, you can download basket, you can push to the download basket, then download all at a time. This is the navigation. So if anyone asks you how to calculate the stack.xml file means, so this navigation you have to explain it. This navigation you have to explain it. Okay. So same navigation we will do that one. We went to the here maintenance planner, explore systems. We went to the maintenance planner, then the maintenance planner. So explore systems in the maintenance planner. So explore systems. Explore systems, in the systems, in the explore systems you will see the all your SAP systems here, all your in your landscape, how many systems are there, all your SAP systems are available here. You can see all your SAP systems are available here. So number of SAP systems are available here. Select any one of the system, then we can upgrade it. So suppose we are updating, suppose these all systems are available here. Suppose you can see the all our systems are available here. So what if my system does not have? So this data will come automatically from the solution manager. If we have the solution manager, then this is the directly your system data will be updated here in the maintenance planner. In the maintenance planner in the systems, it is updated. Your data is updated here. You can see here automatically it will come from SAP to your SAP ECC to solution manager to the service marketplace. Your data related systems, all the systems are available here. So what if my client does not have the solution manager? This is the question they will ask you. In this case, what we have to do, if don't have the solution manager, what we have to do? My client does not have the solution manager. In this case, how can I download the SAP, all the software XML file? How can I download it? In this case, you have to download. So this is one more procedure. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, so this is for if the solution manager having this, we can do that one. If you don't have solution manager, are you getting are you understanding, or can I stop it here? Can I continue tomorrow?
Sir, please continue tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, that's why I'm asking. Why? Because it's a lengthy topics, so you won't digest all these things and everything. If you go slowly one by one, so spoon by spoon feeding, then you will get all at one at a time. So that's why I'm trying to ask these questions. So don't think like that. Okay, we have all time left, something like that. Okay, no problem. So just to check this 4 or 5 points related material, I will send you in our group. So just go through it. It's a lengthy procedure, critical procedure. Let's see, it depends upon your understanding, your digestion of these things. So we'll check tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Otherwise, so yeah, we'll go one by one. Okay. So thank you guys. Thanks for your time. We'll see tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.